Hello everybody and welcome back to the garage. The wiring of the Savage continues. And I'm not really sure what the contents of this video will be. You've seen the thumbnail, you probably know more than I do at this point. But what I do know is that I want to prepare the frame for the wiring. And that means figuring out where all the wires are going to go and to have solid and good looking mounting points for those wires. This being a pretty modern bike and the fact that I want to keep it street legal means that we have quite a few wires that needs to find a way to the correct locations. But I still think we should be able to make it look good. First thing I'm gonna do is to create some cables so I have something to play around with. Cables made up, and these are both going all the way to the headlight. And I always tend to forget how extremely frustrating it is to pull the wires through the paracord sleeves. It's not that it's super hard or anything, it's just really fiddly and time consuming. Anyway, as I said, these are both going to the headlight and I want them to run underneath the tank together with the clutch and throttle cable. I think there should be enough room in here, but I definitely need something to hold the cables down. And I've got an idea for that. Alright, check this out. I just finished these tiny tie down points. I originally designed them to be used with a zip tie, but looking at them now, I think I could use them with a rubber band or something like that as well. The cables fit in here nicely. Now I just need to find a way to keep it in place up here. And I actually started bending this piece of sheet metal and I think that will work. So let me just finish up this piece and put everything back together and we can have a look at the final result.
Just you wait to listen for the storm. Hear the difference in the wind. When dark clouds form and start to turn, I'll run again. Far away
As you saw, I actually replaced the zip ties with these sheet metal clips. I think it looks way better. And you also saw me wrap the throttle and clutch cable in paracord as well, and I think it looks really good. In my upcoming videos we will get into kind of hardcore electronics. I need to make a custom PCB for the taillight, and I need to make the control unit that is going to control everything using the handlebar switches. I really hope you want to stick around for that, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later. Bye!